guys, it's 2 a.m. na.
Take you home where our heart belongs. Close your eyes.
Dito nga pala tayo mag-breakfast guys. Wow! Ate, ano po yung, paano po ito? Tigi-tigi siya po ba to or set?
Per set, set po. 180, tatlong ulam.
180, tatlong ulam.
Half rice full.
Full po, tapos share na lang tayo. Isa na lang pala. Pwede po yung malasado. Ito po. Yan. Ilang oras yung naging biyahe natin, kuya? Ang bilis mo mag-drive. Hindi ka na ako masukay. Hindi ka na masukay. Hindi ka na magpababa talaga. Nahiya lang ako. Perfect. Nag-pick up kami ngayon ng medical. Ilan taon na ba ako? 26.
Any allergies, ma'am? Asthma?
Wala po.
May hypertension?
Wala po.
Any
128.
ongoing medication, ma'am?
Wala po. Thank you po. Hi guys, nandito kami ngayon sa DNR. Bali, 5 minutes away lang siya from doon sa medical. Oh, trial pa lang yan guys. Wala pa, baka madulas na agad ah. Guys, yung kay isa kong picture lalagay ko dito. Nagsasama na ako sa mukha ko. Ano siya isabit?
Isama mo sa mga may mag-jowa.
Oo nga. Nasaan ba to? Wow. Dito. Ayan, dito.
Nag-issue kayo.
Yan. Sino pipiliin mo, kuya? Kagi. There we go.
Sige,
I made it.
Pakituro po yung mga pangalan para
Ito po, si Celine. Lakas mo.
The highest peak in Luzon. The playground of the gods. A biodiversity hotspot. A sacred springboard to the afterlife. The ultimate Cordillera adventure.
Hihingalin. Nag-orient ako minsan, sabi ko pinakamadali. Pagbaba nila following day, sabi nila sa akin, ma'am, sabi mo, madali lang. Hindi naman madali lang. It's just not difficult.
Hi guys, so bali 10:49 na. Nandito kami ngayon sa homestay. Dito na kayo magpapahinga. So, yan. Ito yung view natin. Ayan, nandun yung homestay natin. Ayan si Jeep. Mag-picture. So, yan yung view namin dito sa homestay. yung pagstayan namin.
Say like this one. Let's forget the world. Just close your eyes. This moment lives so deep inside. Feels like paradise. This life we dream will never die.
Wow! Thank you, Lord! Papa. Practice na.
This moment lives so deep inside. It feels like paradise. Feels like paradise.
Tinola.
This life we dream will never die.
Tingnan namin. Ayun. Ayun si Jessie. Ayun si Jessie.
Guys, ito yung flashlight ko.
Ay, nag-ready na siya. Si Cheat, anong flashlight mo? So, dyan si Jessie, dito ako sa baba, and then si Cheat, si Tina.
Sana po magkaroon ng magandang weather. Ayan. Ang birthday ko ngayon, birthday high.
Weh!
Totoo ba?
Happy birthday! Birthday to you!
Birthday high.
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you!
Sayang.
Hindi ko dyan sagot sa pulutan. Hindi ko na regalo si Dan. Morning, guys! Napunta na kami sa Ranger Station.
I wish we could go back in time to those days that made us who we are. But I know you had to go with your life.
Pwede na magpahinga sa bahay.
And I also had to go.
May bangin.
So I'll call you up, my friend.
Guys, we're here at Camp 1.
You say you're doing fine. You also
What?
miss those times.
Grabe. Stay on 3. Pakamto na.
I wish we could
Good
go
guys.
back in time.
From 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. Naglalakad lang kami.
Videos remind me why. Dancing in the kitchen.
Grabe, malapit na tayo sa playground of God.
Until the break of morning light.
Ah. Wow!
So I'll call you up, my friend,
Guys!
'cause I miss
Ah!
what we
Thank you, Lord!
You say you're doing fine,
Woo!
but you also miss those times. So I'll call you up, my friend, 'cause I miss what we had then. You say you're doing fine, but you also miss those times.
Guys, we made it! Oh! Guys, nandito na kami sa tuktok. Tara, Jerry.
After nilang magtay naman.
Grabe naman. Dito na kami sa Playground of Gods.
Next to the remote, half charged phone on airplane mode. Didn't really talk to anyone today. Sunlight stretching across
Bababa na kami. Happy birthday! Thank you, Lord, for this life.
No fast mornings, no big plans. Just letting the whole day happen. Lazy but happy. Windows open wide, cold soda and a quiet night. Lazy but happy. Nothing much to
Ito yung CR sa Camp 1. Sabi, ano naman si CR? Japan yarn. Ilahakman na lang. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Habal, where are you? Okay, habal na! Oh guys, ayun yung habal. 200 per.